Hello guys, welcome back to a new video of Tech Helpline. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can reset your TikTok account's password. Keep watching the video till the end and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. So, to reset your TikTok account's password, firstly, open your TikTok application. Tap on the option you used to log into your TikTok account before. Here, I'm going to choose Use Phone Number, Email or Username option. Enter your email or username, then click on Forgot Password. Enter your email address and click on Reset. The verification code will be sent to your email associated with your TikTok account. Enter your 6-digit verification code. It will take you to the page where you can reset your password. Enter your new password and make sure that your password must have at least 8 characters, a letter and a number with one special character in it. This is how you can reset your TikTok account's password. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching.